tandem. So kailangan talaga ma-ano na natin, no? Ma-address na natin itong decades-old problem of backlog of plates. Lalong-lalo na yung motorcycle plates. Alam naman natin, since 2014, millions of motorcycle plates ang backlog natin. No? And as of to date, aabot ng mahigit 5 milyon. 5+ million ang ating natitirang backlog sa motorcycle. Nagsimula yan noong 2014, umabot pa ng mga 12 million yan. As of now, right now, we are very happy and proud that under the administration of President Bongbong Marcos, finally, na-wipe out na natin ang backlog sa motorcycle plates. At i-announce namin yon ngayon. No? So finally, after 11 years now, from 2014 to 2025, under the administration of President Bongbong Marcos, we have wiped out the backlog of motorcycle plates finally after, 11 years.